Hey guys, today we're gonna be trying to make the glow-in-the-dark Elmer's slime glue. And I will be mixing and my mom behind the camera will be trying to put the Elmer's glue in and the liquid.
Yep, I'll see what we can do. All right, so I'll be giving the instructions. So the first thing that we need to do is pour out the whole container of the glue. Yes.
Okay.
You probably could take the top off of it and just, it'd be a lot faster.
Yeah.
Turn it up, and take the top off of it. So guys, this kit is supposed to have pretty much everything we need with the exception of a bowl and a mixing utensil and something to measure with. Just put it in one space so you don't have...
This is gonna take a while.
Mm-hmm. You're not gonna get every drop out, but we got as much as we can.
Oh my gosh.
You got most of it?
Oh my gosh. Makes a lot of noise.
Trying to get it all out.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Probably as good as we can get it. Alright, so what's next is that we need to add 2 tablespoons of the liquid, well, the magical liquid. So this is what brings it all together. You want to unscrew that top for me?
Yep. Here we go.
Alright, so if you hold this, this is actually only a half of a tablespoon. So instead of doing 2, we're going to have to do 4 because 2 halves make 1 whole. Alright, so you will first put that in there. Alright.
Second 2 going in.
So that's 1 tablespoon.
2 tablespoons.
Alright, and so now you have to mix with your spatula.
Gosh, I think we should have gotten a spoon for this. But it's okay.
I think this is the better utensil. That's why they recommend it.
Why would they recommend? Why?
So with a spoon, you'll have to keep scooping. You don't want to do that. You just had to touch it, didn't you?
No, I was trying to.
See, it's getting thick. That's what slime is supposed to be like.
I was trying to because I want it like all to get on there.
Alright, so it says once you've mixed that, then you want to add 2 more tablespoons.
2 more.
Alright, so you can just stick that in the bowl.
Okay.
Take that. And we'll do 2 more. So that's 1. That's 1, sorry. And half. And 2. Alright. Alright.
There we go.
I'll take that back. Nope. You don't have to wash your hands. Your hands are gonna get dirty. Come on.
Huh?
Mix it in.
Okay.
It's getting, still got some kind of everywhere. We still got a lot of mixing to do, guys. Matthew, just mix.
Okay. I'm mixing.
Yeah, mix them. Mix them thick.
It's not even letting me mix it up.
It's getting slimy, guys. Keep it.
I think you're gonna need 2 hands for that.
How's it going?
It's going good. It looks good.
Looks like slime?
Yeah, but I
You
think
think you got it all mixed up?
I think, but let's try a little bit more mix.
Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Good and slimy.
Yeah, it's super slimy.
There's a little bit more of that coming out.
Okay.
We have more.
Oh my gosh. This guy's all over there.
Alright. Touch it with your hands. I think you got it pretty.
Oh
you
my
think?
gosh,
It's
it's
fine?
wet. It's wet.
Yeah, it's wet because it hasn't dried yet. You think it's ready to test out?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's wet.
nice and clumpy, guys. Yeah.
It's like,
Fresh slime. Alright, so I guess you can take some in your hands.
that's it. That's all.
That's it. It's supposed to be done.
Well, guys, that's it for today.
Well, nope. We gotta see if it glows.
Oh, yeah. Turn all the lights off.
No, we're gonna go take it because this room is not gonna be dark enough, guys. We're gonna take it to the next room and see if that's enough.
What? Next one?
Because we have blinds open and all kinds of stuff in here. So let's see what we can do.
My room
If
is
we
not blind open.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Ugh.
Oh,
And if this doesn't glow, I don't know what to say. It
just
looks
take
like
a patch. You gonna take a patch?
Yeah.
Just grab a patch. Oh, look at that. Nice
at
and
that.
slimy. Come on.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
All right,
looks
guys.
like it's glowing a little bit. Getting greenish.
Oh, it's getting dark.
Oh, it's getting.
All right,
It's
let's.
greenish.
Yeah,
It's
let's go.
greenish.
Oh, look, guys, it's glowing.
It's
Let me see.
glowing.
Let me see yours.
It's greenish.
Well, guys, it looks like we were successful today.
So, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
And slime.